Hello and welcome to the 19th issue of Between the Lines video magazine for railway enthusiasts. In this issue we visit Linz in Austria, undertake a cab ride with one of Poland's regional railways over the recently rebuilt line from Grodzisk Wielkopolski to Poznań. Travel to San Diego in the United States to see the new Siemens trams. Start our review of the UK's premier model rail show for European enthusiasts. And finally, return to the Austrian-German border to look at the new Meridian trains from Veolia that are taking over most Munich and Salzburg semi-fast trains. We start in central Austria at the Danube-side city of Linz, the industrial powerhouse of the country, home to First Alpine Steel and Chemie Linz, now part of the DSM Group. The city of nearly 200,000 has an extensive tramway network operated by a subsidiary of the city authority LinzHbf. The four-line system uses an unusual 900mm track gauge. This includes the Purslingbergbahn tourist tram that was converted to the Linz standard in 2008-09. The first Linz Central Station building was completed in 1858 to coincide with the arrival of the Empress Elizabeth Railway from Vienna. The station was rebuilt from 1936. Again after the war, and was finally replaced in 2002-2004 with a new building designed by Viennese-based architect Wilhelm Holzbauer.